Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Sharan SE Nav. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and the car's covered just over 48,000 miles and it comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the white silver and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, with the SE Nav, the car comes really well equipped. So starting off on the seats, as you can see they're in great condition. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror controls and your 4 window switches. Now the Sharan's a brilliant family car. So first of all, you've got these great sliding doors. So nice wide door opening. You don't have to worry about banging the doors into parked cars in a car park, for example. And as you can see, loads of headroom and legroom. So 3 individual seats with 3 seat belts. And as we walk around the back, at the moment, we've got the 3rd row in place, but you've got your split folding seats there, and your parcel shelf is still in place. And once that 3rd row is folded down, you've got a humongous boot area there as well, so nice and practical if you're going on holiday, for example. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.